Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In today's video I have a 2019 Hyundai Kona, and the person I've borrowed this car off has said that he's had to replace the rear light bulbs a few times, so I thought this might be worthwhile showing you. We're going to remove this light cluster and show you how to get to the bulb in this part here. So first off, Hyundai are really good because they give you the tools to do the job. Open up the boot lid fully, just inside the tray here. I'll remove this just to show you. There's a screwdriver just here. Take the screwdriver out. Now you've probably all seen these before. Dual ended. So we're just going to use it on our Phillips head and undo these screws here. Take both of them out fully. And that's all it is, just two. Now we're going to get our hand around here, start to pull back, withdrawing it towards the back of the vehicle. Then there's a little connector there, put that to the side. That'll actually allow us to take our bulb out. This is a dual tail light and brake light bulb. You can replace your cluster, do whatever you need to do. Put it back in, making sure you don't touch the bulb with your skin. Send it all the way home. Making sure you get the right orientation. Clip the cables back in, like so. And we're just going to line it up with the bodywork and then push it back. Get your two screws from earlier. Don't have to load them up too tight. That's one done. Now we're going to change our screwdriver back to the flathead. Just come up here to the boot lid, stick it in that hole and pull that off. Now just up here you'll see there's a grey tab. Turn that grey tab to the side and just pull it out, and that's that component for the tail light. Put your new bulb in and around. Plastic cover comes back on, like so. Get your screwdriver and make sure that goes back where it lives, so you need it for next time. Put a styrene tray back in, and there you go. That's my video on how to change the light bulbs on the rear cluster. It's as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.